Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're just going to do a quick little video today about the end caps on my Freedom exhaust here. Show you something that I found out. Looks pretty cool really what you can do. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, here we go. I'll show you how to take these end caps off like I was talking about before. When I brought this bike brand new, these pipes came with it as part of the deal. Now I didn't realise these came off. I mean, you might call me silly, probably everybody knows that they do, but I didn't. It wasn't till I actually, as you do going around the roundabouts a bit low and a bit quick, scraped the bottom of this pipe here and thought I want to file it or fix it up, and realised, found the two bolts at the back that you undo, take it off, and then you can actually put it in 4 different positions, which is quite cool. But anyway, I'll show you how to do it. You need a 1/8 Allen key, and there's a little bolt just here at the back on each one. Just undo that. Not hard at all. There it is. And boom, off she pops. I mean, it's so simple. Now, Freedom have released new end caps now as well, so you can get gold, chrome, red and white even, I think. It's on their website, but I'll have a look anyway and put some pictures up for you. Now I'll show you the different positions it can go in. Now when I brought the bike, you can see the holes here. Actually, I'll just show you the holes here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they're all pre-threaded as well, so there's no need to do anything. So this is the first position here, which is straight down, which looks pretty cool. But I quite like this one here, and this is the one I've got it on now. Just to the side a bit, so you can see a bit of the end of the exhaust. Or around to this one, which is right out the side. Or if you want to go really radical, round to the last position, straight up. I don't think the guy behind you would like it that much, but there you go. I know it's a quick little video, but everybody out there probably realised that they do this, but I didn't. I thought I'd just show you. It's quite cool how you can do that. You can just adjust it, one little bolt, and it's done. Well, that's it for this video today. I'll put some photos up of the different colours as well, and of the different positions on the bike, so you can actually see what it looks like. Thanks for watching Kiwi Grand Tours, and we'll talk soon. Cheers.